Good morning to all of you. Are you all ready with your SST copies?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody ready with the headings and all? Whatever heading I told you to write in the previous class.
Ma'am, understanding history.
Yes, understanding history, chapter 1. And then the heading is of today's work. What is today's work? That is difficult words. Write down difficult words.
Ma'am, what is the first difficult word?
Beta, wait, I will tell you what is the first difficult word. Don't worry.
Ma'am, what we do?
Beta, meanwhile, see only 7 of you have joined, so I'm waiting for other students to join. Okay, all of you are ready to write. Shall I start?
Yes, ma'am.
The first word is ancestors.
Ancestor.
Yes, the first word is ancestor. How do you spell ancestor?
Ma'am, please send in chat box. Please send me in the chat box.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
I have sent. Good morning, beta. Good morning. The first word is ancestors. The second word is historian.
Ma'am, please tell me spelling of ancestor.
Yes?
Spelling of ancestor.
The spelling of ancestor is ANCESTOR.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done the
Ancestor,
second difficult word.
historian. Then the third word is explorer. Explorer.
Ma'am, please tell me second one.
Beta, it is already there in the chat box. See?
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, it is morning, ma'am. Ma'am, please send again.
Okay, beta, I'll send it again. I'll resend all the words. Don't wait. Don't worry. Okay. Seen? Everyone has seen? All of you who have joined late, write down the heading, chapter 1, understanding history, and its topic is, what is the topic?
Difficult words.
Yes. Difficult words. Now, the three words were ancestor, historian, and explorer.
And second one.
Yes.
Ma'am, please tell me second.
But I can't understand what you're saying. Okay, take. Here it is. All the words are in the chat box. Yes.
Where is the chat box?
Where is the chat box? Beta, are you doing it with your phone or with your laptop? Tell me, what are you using, your phone or your laptop? Then I'll tell you. Where's the chat box? Okay, no answer. Anyways, are you ready for the next word?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next word is, the fourth word is photographs. Photographs. Written, everyone?
Yes, ma'am, I have written. Yes, ma'am, I have written.
Very nice. Then, the fifth word is
Oh.
battle. The fifth word is battle.
क्या बताऊं उसका?
All of you written?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
I can't hear many yes. Why?
Yes, ma'am, I have done. Yes, ma'am, I have done.
I want a yes from all of you.
Yes, ma'am, I have done. Yes, ma'am, I have written. Yes, ma'am, I have.
Wonderful.
Am I unsure? I.
Okay. The
Ma'am,
sixth
your
word,
voice is not coming.
the sixth word is ancient.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Beta, see in the chat box. I have sent it.
Ma'am, I have written.
Ancient.
Ma'am, I have done.
Good. Then
Ma'am, I
write down the seventh word. Write down the seventh word. The seventh word is medieval. Medieval.
Ma'am, please click a picture of all difficult words and send it on the WhatsApp group. Ma'am, what is the meaning of medieval?
Okay. See, history has been divided into three periods. The very old period where life had just begun. That is the ancient period. Then came the time of kings and queens where battles used to take place, where kings used to fight for kingdoms and
Ma'am,
all.
please take a picture of all difficult words and send it on WhatsApp group, please, ma'am.
All right, beta, I'll do that. I'll do that. So the medieval period is the middle period, which falls between the ancient and the modern period. Then the eighth word is modern. What is the spelling of modern? M-O-D-E-R-N. Modern.
मैं क्या करती हूँ? मैं क्या बात करती? नहीं आया था पापा.
म्यूट कर लो बेटा, म्यूट कर लो. Okay, 8 words. Now 2 more words.
Yes, ma'am.
Customs. customs.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of customs?
But a custom is like we have different religions. Okay, so in uh, all different religions, we follow certain customs. In our families, we follow certain customs, or it can be said as rules, which are practiced in every generation. They are what? They are our customs. Then the last word is habits.
Ma'am, I have done.
Now, I told you in the morning that your work should be very presentable. It should be done very nicely, highlighted, underlined. If you have numbered these words, then what you have to do? You have to underline all these numbers with different color pencils. Now, I'm giving you 3 minutes, only 3 minutes to do this beautification of your work and then show it to me in the camera itself. I want to see how nicely you can decorate your work with colors.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, very nice, beta. How many of you have done?
Ma'am, I
Very
am
good.
doing.
Okay, bring it in front of the camera. Let me see how you have done. Very good, Manya. Very nice work. Okay, let me see some other students' work also. Ansh Patel. Yes. Your work also looks good. Then Yuvraj Singh. Very nice work. Very good, beta. Very good. Okay, everyone has done. Because now I have a very interesting game that I'll make you all play. So all those who want to play may keep your cameras on. Rest can just sit silently because they will not be included in the game. Okay, now children, you can see all students' names on their screens, right? Can you see everybody's name on the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, whichever child's screen is off, don't include that child in the game. The game is that out of these 10 words, you have to ask the spellings of any word from any student. Like Taranveer, let's start from you. You can start your question with any student. Okay? You have to ask the spellings of you have to ask the spelling of any one word. Now, Taranveer, whom do you want to ask?
मैम फोटोग्राफ।
नो, फोटोग्राफ किससे पूछना है आपको? पहले आप नाम तो लो स्टूडेंट का।
आरव। यस मैम। PHOTGRAPHS.
Is that right, Taranveer?
Ma'am, please see my work.
Show.
Ma'am, spelling.
Okay, Taranveer, was the spelling correct? What Arav spoke? Taranveer, you asked the question.
Ma'am,
no?
please see my.
Beta ruko. Everybody wait. Yes, very nice, Aradhya. Very good work. This game is just between all of you. Think like I don't exist. Okay? Now you will ask from any person, and if the spelling is wrong, the chain breaks there. Okay? Now, Arav, your spelling was correct. So the next question will be put up by Arav to anyone. Okay?
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am. Ma'am, I will ask to. Ma'am, I will ask to Ansh Patel.
Ansh Patel, yes.
The word is historian.
HIORIAN. Is that correct, Arav?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. Then next.
युवराज सिंह मैम.
Ask
Battle. Battle.
What?
Bat.
BATE.
There is some terrible network issue. I can't hear any one of you. All your voices are going cracked. Okay, what is the next word? Yes, whose turn? Who is asking? Who is asking the spelling of which word to whom?